welcome to a very special episode of Art with Ashley B. Today, my brand new book is out. It is called Squirrellock Holmes, The Pet Rock Mystery. So in honor of Squirrellock Holmes' book birthday, I am going to teach you how to draw your very own pet rock. So go ahead and get all of your drawing materials together and let's get started. Okay, illustrators, in honor of my new book, Squirrellock Holmes, The Pet Rock Mystery, we are going to draw a pet rock today. So the first thing that we want to do is we want to draw the bottom edge of our rock. And you'll see that this is not straight at all. We want it to be a little bit wobbly because rocks are very, very, very rarely perfect ovals. So now we're going to come up. Again, we want our line to be less than perfect and back down. Now, something that you can do to make your rock look more rock-ish is you can add some textured lines to it. So I'm just going to add a few little lines here towards the bottom, a couple dots, and this will just help indicate a little texture, meaning how the rock feels, because rocks are not typically smooth when you just find them outside. They're pretty rough. And we'll do that here up the sides a little bit with some dots, just like this. Now again, there we have a very nice rock. You are certainly welcome to leave it just like that, or if you want to add some stuff to it, you can totally do that. I am going to add a mohawk to mine. And I'm also going to add some eyes. Little pupil there. And another eye. With another pupil there. My rock is going to be very happy today. So I'm also going to add a little smile, as well as 2 eyebrows. Now I'm going to put my pet rock outside. You can put yours wherever you want. So I'm going to add a couple blades of grass here. This way we'll know that this pet rock is having a day at the park today. All right, illustrators, there we have the outline of our pet rock characters. The next step that we have to do is add some color. So you may go ahead and grab some colored pencils, markers, crayons, anything that you'd like. This is what I chose to do. There we have our pet rock characters. I gave mine a rainbow mohawk. The last step that we have to do is to sign them, because every artist should always sign their work. All right, illustrators, there we have our pet rock characters in honor of Squirrellock Holmes' book birthday. I hope that you all enjoyed yourselves, and I will see you next time back here on Art with Ashley B. Bye!